about Sunday. So first of all, Harshit will tell me how did he spend his Sunday. Sharing. It is called sharing. Sharing will bring your fluency, your communication, your confidence. So share with me.
Okay. Actually, my Sunday was very good, and I slept till 8:30 a.m. And after that, I went to my son for moving, just like that, into roads for walking. And around 9, I started around 9:30 to play volleyball, and until around 2 p.m. I played volleyball, and after 2 p.m. I came at my home, and 2 to 5 p.m. I spent my time with my children, like playing, and we did a very lot of funs and we played lot of games with my son and me, like cricket. And in the evening I went go in market with my sons for eating something. And around 7:30 we would came at home, and again around 8:30 or 8 p.m. I completed my pending work.
Then what happened?
Then I slept.
Okay. So now Karan, tell me, what are the things you have done in the Sunday? How did you spend your Sunday? Just tell something. And you have talked, Vinod, only 2 minutes to 2 minutes 50 seconds. Okay, very good. So Karan, are you hearing me? Karan, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so tell me something about your Sunday. How did you spend it?
Okay, ma'am. First I wake up at 6. First I wake up at 8 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth and take a bath. After that I do my breakfast. I do my breakfast
Karan, hello Karan. Just can you come somewhere else? Hello?
for my better health. Then what, ma'am?
Yeah, I think someone is watching TV in your room, I think. Is it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why it is, your sounds are coming less than their sounds. Yes.
Okay. Then after that I do my homework of my school. After then when I was free I do some for my practice. After then I go to ground to play some outdoor games like cricket and football. After then I go for an evening walk when I came at my home.
try not to use one word more than once. After then you have used more than once. So try to use another words or try to avoid the same word in the using in the communication. Okay. Yeah, that will bring your beauty in your communication. Okay, very good. Sharing is very important, and in the sharing I can understand that how far you have come in this language, in this learning of this language. Okay, now
At 8:30 a.m. and after that I get ready and eat my breakfast. Then I help my mother something I help my mother, and after that I start doing my studies, and after 3.5 hours I went at my friend's house and for making a project which the teacher gave us, and there I made the project also, but we did lot of musty fun like we did, and after that I came around at 4:30. So when I came back to my home, then I start watching phone, and after that I started to doing my incomplete work of Sanskrit, and after that I helped my mother in the kitchen, and after that I start doing my work also, and after that I went in the park and I played with my friends and I played football, and after that I did cycling. Cycling with my friends, and around at 7:30 I came back to my home, and I did worship of God, and after that I ate my dinner, and then after watching phone and I read my books also after that, and then in the night I slept.
okay, very good. But you too used after that more than one time, dear. So try to avoid these words. Try to avoid these words. These words are looking very odd in the sharing. When you'll be sharing these words looking very odd, that person, someone will say, oh, you just telling something for simply. You don't have any vocabulary. So many vocabulary I have given to you. So you should use them. Otherwise, what is the use of the vocabularies? That's you have to use. Okay. Okay. But nowadays I am watching that all of you are really very speaking. A bit fluency has come, I can understand. But this fluency you should not be satisfied with. You should work on your fluency more than earlier. Okay? That will be good for you. Some translations I will be giving you. That one you please write down.
Okay.
Everybody please write down. Take pen and paper, please.
Done.
Did you take?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. मैं वहां जा चुका हूं. मैं वहां जा चुका हूं.
Done, ma'am.
Karan, did you write, dear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Vinod, I think you wrote.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me the answer, all of you. What is the answer will come? I have been here or I have been there. Okay, जा चुका हूँ. जा चुका हूँ. Sometimes we use been, have been. have been. Have you been to Calcutta? Have you been to Delhi? That means क्या आप दिल्ली जा चुके थे, जा चुके हैं? That is the thing. Been, B-E-E-N, been. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम वह यहाँ आ चुका था मैम. He had been here.
He has been here. He has been
Had
here.
been.
No, you write has been.
था लिखा था. Okay मैम.
Has been.
And then I have to.
Tha you have written.
Yes ma'am.
So had will be there, no problem. But चुका हूँ है. After you write है because the answer I have started, the question I have started है. Okay? Try to write. Yes.
Okay.
He has been here or there like that. Have you been to Goa? Have you been to Goa? Very good, very good. Nice. Karan, tell me.
क्या तुम दिल्ली जा चुके हो? Have you been to Delhi?
Have you been to Delhi? Very good. Number 2. मैं यहाँ 6 महीने से हूँ. मैं यहाँ 6 महीने से हूँ. Brilliant boy, brilliant boy. I have been here for 6 months. Please write down. Vinod, Shikha, please write down.
मैं यहाँ 2 साल से हूँ. I have been here for 2 years.
Good, very good.
दिन से घर से बाहर है. He has been outside from home for 10 days.
Very nice boy, very nice boy, very nice, very nice. Shikha, please tell me.
मैम वह 2003 से यहाँ काम करता है.
Oh, मैं यहाँ 1 साल से हूँ. What will be the translation? Shikha, tell me.
मैम I have been here since 1 year.
For 1 year. Okay?
बहुत साल से ना for 1 year.
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
For 1 year. Very good. I have been here for 1 year. Only who, that means who or hai like that, and no main verb, and then only been verb will be there. Okay?